Welcome to a guided meditation for mental clarity on Declutter the Mind. In this practice, we'll use the principles of Vipassana to observe our thoughts and sensations with curiosity and detachment. By cultivating this mindful awareness, we can develop greater mental clarity and reduce the clutter in our minds. And so let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Taking a deep breath in through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs completely, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. And now gently close your eyes and allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. And we're going to start by bringing our attention to the breath and using it to anchor our attention into the present moment. And so start here by noticing the sensations of breathing, how the air feels as it enters your nostrils, how your chest or belly rises and falls with each breath, and allow your mind to rest here, simply observing the breath. And as you continue to breathe naturally, thoughts will begin to arise. And when a thought comes up, instead of getting lost in it, just notice it. See it for what it is, just a thought. You don't need to engage with it or push it away. Let the thought be, and then gently bring your attention back to the breath. And as you do this, this is the essence of Vipassana. It's observing without judgment, without attachment. Whether it's a thought, a sensation, an emotion, we notice it, acknowledge it, and then let it go. And then we keep returning to the breath for the next few moments. And as you sit in this awareness, pay attention to how thoughts and feelings come and go. Some may be persistent, others fleeting. Maybe there's a recurring thought or emotion today. Just observe their impermanence. Allow them to pass like clouds in the sky. There's no need to hold on to them or resist them. And if you find yourself lost in a thought, that's okay. As soon as you realize it, gently guide your attention back to the breath. This practice isn't about stopping your thoughts. It's about observing them with clarity and distance. Each time you bring yourself back, you're actually strengthening your muscle to observe without reacting. So continue this for the next few moments. And now let's expand this awareness to the body. Shift your attention from the breath to sensations in your body. Notice any tension, tightness, discomfort, ease, comfort, and just observe these sensations with the same neutral awareness. Again, without trying to change or fix anything. We just notice. Allow yourself to be a witness to your own experience. And as you continue to scan the body, remain curious. What do you notice? Are some sensations stronger than others? Are they constant? Are they shifting? And by simply observing, you begin to clear the mind and sharpen your attention. And we'll take a few more moments in this space of awareness. And again, if any thoughts or sensations arise, we greet them and meet them with an open curiosity, and then let them go before returning to the present moment. And these final few moments here, just let go. Allow the mind to do what it wants for the next few moments. And now bring your attention back to the space around you and gently open your eyes. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.